Hi guys, today I will teach you my favorite trick, how to light a charcoal fast for your barbecue. It saves a lot of time and very easy. You need a charcoal fire bowl. It can be easily found on the marketplaces. The design features are simple. Inside the bowl is a stand where you pour coal, holes on the sides, and a place at the bottom where you can put paper, wood chips, so that the coal flares up faster. Although from my experiences, I can say that 1 tablet of dry fuel is enough to ignite coals. Look, this is a small size of the bowl, size L, 27.5 centimeters by 17 centimeters. But I recommend to take a bowl with size slightly longer and larger. XL size would be great. And then all you need is to pour coal. Put a dry ignition tablet. And after 30 minutes, it depends of charcoal, you can fry the meat and do your barbecue. You save your time and won't smell of smoke. Enjoy!